What if Earth just stopped spinning? Like somebody hit pause on the whole planet. No warning, no countdown, just done. What happens to the sky, the weather, and your whole life? Alright, let's run this wild scenario. Earth normally spins once about every 24 hours. That spin is why we get day and night, and it also shapes winds and ocean currents. So if the spin stops, the planet doesn't explode in this story. But life still gets real weird real fast. Here are the ground rules so this doesn't turn into instant doom. We're saying the rotation stops by magic. No planet-wide mega tsunamis from momentum. No, everyone gets launched sideways. The only change is simple. Earth's rotation hits zero. Now we watch the domino effects. Right at the moment it stops, everything feels normal for a second. And that's the creepy part. Then you notice it. The sun's position isn't shifting like it should. The sky feels stuck. And deep down, you're like, okay, nah, something is seriously off. About 1 hour later, the first change is sneaky. You'd feel a tiny bit heavier, especially near the equator, because the spin normally gives you a small lift, like you're slightly lighter than you should be. Now that little lift is gone. It's not movie-level heavy, but it's real. And the weather starts acting different too. Storms and winds don't bend the same way anymore, because Earth's spin normally gives them a sideways twist. As that twist fades, big weather patterns start behaving like they forgot the rules. A day later, here's the mind-blowing part. You still don't get a normal day and night cycle, because with no rotation, day and night stop being a daily thing. One side of Earth can get sunlight for a long stretch, and the other side can get darkness for a long stretch. Your schedule? Absolutely cooked. Your sleep? Also cooked. People are going to be arguing like, bro, what even is morning now? A week in, then a month in, the planet starts splitting into zones. The day side keeps heating up, baking, drying out, brutal sunlight for way too long. The night side keeps losing heat, freezing, icy, dark for way too long. And the real survivor zone becomes the twilight strip, that in-between ring where it's not non-stop day and not non-stop night. But there's a catch. When the hot side and cold side get extreme, you get nasty winds trying to shove heat around, especially near that twilight boundary. So even the best zone isn't calm, it's just less deadly. A year in, humanity basically reorganizes. Populations migrate toward that habitable belt near the twilight zone. Cities get built like a necklace around the planet. Farming becomes ultra-controlled. Greenhouses, indoor crops, artificial lighting, because outside weather is either too hot, too cold, or too chaotic to trust. It's not everybody instantly dies, but it is a different world with different rules. Now here's a twist that messes with your head. It's not just the planet that changes. Your idea of time changes. No normal days, no normal weekends, no meet you tomorrow that actually means something. Humans would have to invent a whole new rhythm, new clocks, new work cycles, new holidays, because the sky stopped being our daily timer. So if Earth stopped spinning with our no instant disaster rule, day and night as you know them vanish. You get long daylight and long darkness. Climate goes extreme, hot side, cold side, and a rough but livable twilight ring. And human life shifts hard, mass migration, engineered food systems, and a totally new concept of daily life. Final answer? Yeah, we could survive, but only by moving, adapting, and basically rebuilding civilization around the twilight zone. Now you tell me, where are you living? Hot side, cold side, or the twilight strip? And what's your survival plan? Drop it in the comments.